Alright, so we're going to jump right into the video, and I'm going to be priming my lid with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and then blending my lid out with a damp beauty blender. Taking the dark indigo shade from the Morphe 39A palette, which is this one, and we're going to be cutting our crease, avoiding the middle of our lid. So throughout the video, you're going to be seeing me use a clean fluffy brush just to smudge out the edges a little so it's not so defined. Then we're going to be taking the BH Cosmetics palette, and then starting off with the darker blue, we're going to be using that one closer to the indigo, following it with the lighter shade. What I noticed with using this palette is you do have to pack the colors on, so just keep that in mind. On to my favorite part, I take the white shade from the LA Girl Pro Concealer and start creating the halo effect. Using the same palette, we're going to be taking the white shimmer shade and packing that on the lid just to complete the look. Alright, so this completes the look. I just finished it off with some lashes. My camera did die. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.